Hi, good morning. Welcome to today's talk about Miller indices and its characteristics, how to write Miller indices along with coordination number, atomic packing factor, and cubic body face center structures. Let's see what is meant by Miller indices. A group of three numbers that indicates the orientation of a plane or set of parallel planes of atoms in crystal is defined as Miller indices. So in a crystal system, the atoms are there. The atoms of their plane orientation is represented by a set of three numbers. The set of three numbers defined as Miller indices. We have another definition. The another definition is what? Miller indices are the reciprocals of the parameters of each crystal phase. Let's see the crystal phase we have pink, green, yellow phase. So another definition, Miller indices are the reciprocals of the parameters of the each crystal phase. Pink, green, yellow are the phases, and pink phase the parameters we define as, what are the parameters we define as, that is on pink phase 1 infinite infinite, on yellow phase infinite 1 infinite, on green phase infinite infinite 1. So what we discussed, the reciprocals of these parameters defined as the Miller indices. Then one by one for the pink, one by infinite, which is 1 0 0. For the green, 1 by infinite, 1 by 1, then 0 0 1. For the yellow, 1 by infinite, 1 by infinite, which is 0 1 0. So here the reciprocals of the parameters defined as the Miller indices. Let's see Miller indices characteristics. If a Miller index is 0, the plane is parallel to the x-axis. The plane is parallel to that axis. If the Miller index is smaller, the more nearly parallel to the plane is to the axis. The more nearly parallel the plane is to the axis. If the Miller index is larger, the more nearly, that is parallel, and this one is perpendicular. The more nearly perpendicular a plane is to that axis. Next one, multiplying or dividing a Miller index by a constant has no effect on the orientation of the plane. No effect on the orientation of the plane. Miller indices are almost always small. They are very small. Then how to determine Miller indices? The first we need to determine the intercepts of the phase along the crystallographic axis. Upon the crystallographic axis, we need to determine the intercepts. Second point, the intercepts we need to consider into a reciprocal form. And third point, we need to convert into all fractions. If it is possible, we need to reduce into lowest terms. For example, I consider x, y, z are the intercepts 213. Sorry, x, y, z intercepts are 213. X, y, z intercepts are 213. The Miller indices are calculated like this. First we need to take intercepts into reciprocal form. The intercepts are what? 2 1 3, then 1 by 2, 1 by 1, 1 by 3, and we need to change into all fractions. So clear the fraction, then LCM 6, then 6 by 2, 6 by 1, 6 by 3, which is nothing but 3 6 2. So if it is possible, reduce to lowest term. Here it is not possible, so 3 remain 3 6 2. Then 3 6 2 is nothing but Miller indices. We have another example. Look, consider this particular figure. There x, y, z are the crystallographic axis. On x, the intercept is 2a. 2a means we need 2. On y-axis 1. On z-axis it is 2. They find the Miller indices. So what is that one? Find the intercept with the xy axis. 2, 1, 2 are the intercept. First condition is what? We need to change it to reciprocal form, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 1, 1 by 2. And what is LCM? That is 4. LCM is how much? Sorry, 2. Multiply by 2, produce the integers. So 1 to 1. Put the So after clearing the whole fraction, then the answer is what? 1 to 1. So for the above task or figure, the Miller indices are 1 to 1. Similarly, we have the task 2, where x is equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 3, z equal to x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 2. Then the intercept for this one is 1 by 2, 3, 2 on x, y, z axis. First condition is the reciprocal form, then 1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 1 by 2, then it is 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Then what is LCM? We need to change it to whole fraction form, then 12, 2, 3. This is your answer. Task 3. Let us consider the same another figure where x nothing is there, y is 1, z is 1. Here upon the x no intercept, that is nothing but infinite. We need to consider as infinite. Then we need to change into reciprocal form. Then 1 by infinite, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Then the Miller indices value is how much? That value is 0, 1, 1. This is now coming to the another concept. What is coordination number? It is the number of equidistant nearest neighbors that an atom has in crystal structure. In a crystal structure, any atom, if it is having equidistance neighboring atoms, the equidistant in a crystal structure, the atom is consist of number of atoms. It is a repeating structure. That's why it is surrounded by number of atoms. But in this number of atoms, the equal distance of atoms which are near to the center of the considered atom is called as coordination number. For example, I consider sodium chloride structure. We know that one sodium is interact with the chlorine, chlorine is interact with the sodium. So like that, this pattern is repeating. That's why sodium chloride crystal structure. We define it as a sodium chloride crystal structure. See here, sodium interact with the 6 chlorines. Not only 6, there are many chlorines are interact with the sodium, but the nearest neighboring atoms for the sodium is how many chlorines are? There are 6 chlorines are there. That's why the coordination number of the chlorine is 6. Means the atoms must be in equal distance. The neighboring atoms, there are many neighboring atoms are there, but whatever neighboring atoms are there, that neighboring atoms must be in similar length or equal distance. Then it will be considered as coordination number. Second one, nearest neighbor distance. It is the distance between two nearest neighbors in a crystal structure. For example, I consider the distance between chlorine to sodium or chlorine to chlorine or sodium to chlorine. So the distance between these two atoms, whatever is there, that can be considered as nearest neighboring distance. The other one is atomic packing factor or packing fraction. So it is simple definition. What is that one? APF is nothing but in a unit cell the volume of atoms and volume of unit cell ratio can be considered as APF. Then what is the definition? The definition we need to consider as atomic packing factor is defined as it is the fraction of space occupied by the atom. Fraction of space occupied by atoms in a unit cell, defined as APF. It is also defined as a ratio of volume occupied by atoms in unit cell to the volume of unit cell to the volume of unit cell. For example, the number of atoms per unit cell are named as N. Va is volume of atoms. In the unit cell, V is the volume of the unit cell. Then APF formula is what? N into Va by V, where N is the number of atoms, Va is the volume of atom, V is the volume of unit cell. It is simply defined as volume of atoms in unit cell to volume of unit cell. So based on these parameters, we define the systems into few types. One is that simple cubic structure. What is simple cubic structure? In a simple cubic structure, each atom consists of six equidistant nearest neighbors. Hence, its coordination number is 6. We already discussed in sodium chloride structure. So nearest equidistant atoms how many? 6 in simple cubic structure. That's why the coordination number is 6. 8 unit cells share each atom at the at the corner. 8 unit cells share each atom at the corner. Hence, only 1 by 8th of the volume of the atom lies. So, these 8 corners are sharing 1 by 8th of a unit cell. Since the atoms are present only at corners, the number of atoms per unit cell is considered. What is that? It can be considered as number of atoms in simple cubic structure. There are 8 corners. 8 corners are sharing by 1 by 8 of a unit cell. Then 8 into 1 by 8, it is nothing but 1. We know that APF formula. What is APF formula? N into VA by V, where N is 1 atom, VA is volume of atom in a unit cell, that is 4 pi r cube by 3 into, by 3 by a cube. So now we simplify, then you will get the things. What is that? Simplify where A equal to 2R. Why 2R? See the figure. From this figure we can simply analyze A equal to 2R. A equal to 2R. Then here we mention the things. Then simplify A equal to R. Then substitute the values here. AP 4 pi R cube by A cube simplification. Then you will get 0.52. So here is a simple process, simple cubic structure. Then here the number of atoms in simple cubic is how many? 8 corners. They are sharing by 1 by 8 of a unit cell. Therefore the number of atoms in simple cubic structure is 1. Then the atomic radius is how much? That is A by 2. A equal to, R equal to A by 2. A equal to 2R, we define already. So R equal to 1 by 2, which we simply written as 0.5 A. There, what is the APF formula? Number of atoms and volume of unit cell. Number of atoms in a unit cell along with the volume, that is we simplified here. That is, after simplification you put the values, then you will get A power 3. A power 3 will be cancelled out. Finally you will get 4 by 3 into pi value, you simplify, then you will get answer is 0.52. Which element will show this characteristic? The element is polonium will show this characteristics. Here this simple cubic structure is 48% is empty. It is a weaker structure in all the cubic structures. Not all. In these 3 cubic structures it is a weaker one. When compared to the body center cubic structure, each atom has 8 equidistant nearest neighbors. Hence, coordination number is 8. Since, see the figure, at the corners we have 8 atoms. Along with the corners, it is having extra atom at the center of the body. Therefore, there are 8 atoms at the corner and 1 atom at the body center. The number of atoms per unit cell is given. How many atoms? That we simply define as number of atoms. 1 atom is extra presented, 1 plus 8 into 1 by 8. Then 2 atoms are presented in body center cubic structure. What is that? 1 is extra atom plus 8 into 1 by 8, which is nothing but 2 atoms. So, in this structure, the atoms touch each other along the body diagonal. Therefore, 4R square equal to, see the figure. You may see the body structure. In the body structure, see, there are the atoms are sharing to each other or touching to each other. That's why the radius we define as a body diagonal radius we define as R plus 2R plus R. The diagonal length of the body R plus 2R plus R, which is nothing but, which is equal to root 2A plus A. Root 2A plus A we consider, that's why we taken here. For R square equal to root 2A square plus A square, where R is the radius of the atom. Here, then simplify, then what you will get? 16R square equal to 2A square plus a square which is equal to 3a square, where a square equal to 16r square by 3, where a equal to 4r by root 3. Now the APF value is how much? The APF value we can consider n into VA by VA, where n equal to number of atoms in BCC, body center cubic structure is 2, and volume of atom 4 pi r cube by 3 by A3. Now simplify, what is the value of A? A equal to 4r by root 3. After simplification you will get 0.68. 0.68. Just simplify the values here. Diagonal length equal to, simplify here in pictorial form, closure factor, the value of diagonal length is 4r, 4r equal to root 3a, where the number of atoms in the body center cubic structure is 1 atom is extra presented, 1 plus 8 corners into 1 by 8 of unit cell, then it is 2 atoms per unit cell. Therefore APF value is what? 2 into 4 by 3 into pi of r square value is how much? Root 3a by 4. Simplify and simplify, then you will get 0.68. The percentage is 62%. Which element? Chromium, sodium, iron, tungsten. These elements will show this particular characteristics. So this is about the BCC, body center cubic structure. So this is about the calculation part. Look once again. So this is the calculation part, that is 0.68. So 32% is the empty and 68% is filled with the atoms. So it is more stronger than simple cubic structure. And finally we have another structure, that is face center cubic structure. In a face FC structure, face center cubic structure, in addition to atoms at corners, atoms present at the face, not only present at the corner, the atoms also present at the face centers. Each atom consists of 12 equidistant nearest neighbors. So equidistance nearest neighbors, hence the coordination number is 12. Therefore the number of atoms per unit cell, how many? See the figure, you will be find out how many atoms are there. See, the face is consist of 8 atoms at 8 corners. Along with that one, 6 faces is having. In 6 faces, each atom is shared by 2 faces. So that's why we need to consider the number of atoms. 6 faces are shared by 1 by 2 of a unit cell. Then it is 6 into 1 by 2 plus 8 into 1 by 8. Therefore, the number of atoms in a FCC, the number of atoms in FCC is considered as 4 atoms. Section 1 by 2 into 6 plus 1 by 8 into 6. So 6 atoms are sharing 1 by 2 of a unit cell and 8 corners are sharing 1 by 8 of a unit cell. Then the number of atoms in FCC is 4. So this is number of atoms. Then coming to the APF value. What is APF value? In the structure, the atoms touch each other. Why you need to take 6 into 1 by 2? The atoms are touch each other. That's why we taken 1 by 2. Along with that one, we need to consider diagonal. What is diagonal? The diagonal for r square equal to a square plus square. See the figure. So the diagonal length is what? 4r equal to a square plus a square. 4r square equal to a square plus a square. Then simplify. So for r square equal to a square plus a square equal to 16 r square by 2, then a equal to 2 root 2r, a equal to 2 root 2r. Therefore the APF value is how much? N into VA by V, where n is the number of atoms, that's 4, VA volume of atom 4 pi r cube by 3. Now simplify, put the values, 16 pi r cube by 3 of 2 root 2r whole cube. Now r will cancel out, then finally you will get root 2 pi by 6, which is nothing but 0.74. See in the figure form. So for r, the a equal to is how much? A equal to, the lot is constant, a equal to 2 root 2r. The number of atoms in unit cell is how many? The number of atoms in 6 corners, 6 face centers. The atoms are faced in, the face center 6 faces having 6 atoms. The each atom is shared by sharing, so that's why 6 into 1 by 2 plus 8 corners, each one sharing by 1 by 8. So the number of atoms in unit cell is 4. Therefore APF value is what? Number of atoms 4 and volume of atoms by total volume of unit cell, which simplify to 0.74. Thank you.